love me the most, not where you live, the car you drive, or the price tag on your clothes. There's no dollar sign on a piece of mind, is of common. So if you have